More than 180 delegates from 60 authoritarian regimes in this parliament in Berlin.
Freedom is something we have to earn, and we are building the foundation here for something that will change the global balance of power.
We believe in democracy, we believe in leadership, and we are willing to fight for freedom in every corner.
Where the walls have fallen and we continue to rise.
We are the biggest threats to authoritarianism, to our dictators in our own country.
World Liberty Congress is meeting as a sign of our legitimacy.
What gives World Liberty Congresses give us opportunity to be united, to be heard.
Being the voice for the voiceless.
Here we will be deliberating, discussing, and approving our guidelines for the future of the World Liberty Congress.
All those in favor, show of hands.
I think today, when we were choosing motions, it was very, very powerful, but it's also giving us an opportunity to feel how it is to have the freedom to choose.
We organized this election to let democracy speak.
I love to vote.
I voted.
And the Berlin Manifesto will be our guideline for the future.
Yesterday, we did a protest for all the political prisoners in Berlin.
Freedom! Freedom!
Freedom is not an option. Freedom is a right.
For all humankind.
Authoritarian regimes are coordinating, and now so are we.
We will be stronger in fighting them.
Dictators, we see you and we're coming for you.
Walls fall, we rise.
Walls fall, we rise.
We rise!